Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about our outlook on public sector banks. As you all would have seen in the recent market run-up, most of the private sector banks did exceedingly well, and almost all the prominent names, may it be ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank or Kotak Bank, hit an all-time high, propelling Bank Nifty index to an all-time high. However, the public sector banks have largely been laggards and didn't participate in the up move as much. Thus, we do strongly believe if an investor is looking at the banking space today, he would be better off looking and investing in public sector banks than the private sector ones, as that is where he'll get better bang for his bucks. Today we look at 3 such public sector bank price charts that according to us promise superior returns in the months to come. The first one is SBI. SBI has recently broken out above 373 and there is no near-term resistance in sight. Stock is in a steady uptrend. However, considering a very sharp up move in the recent past, we would exercise some patience before buying this stock. The best price to look at this stock would be anywhere in the range of 350 to 300, and since there are no resistances in sight, we will keep our targets open. The RSI on the quarterly charts is around 60 odd levels, which indicates sufficient room for the stock to go up in the near term. If the stock slips below 250, we would review our outlook on the stock and update regarding the same. The second one is Maharashtra Bank. Again, this bank has broken out of a quarterly downtrend on 31st March 21 with a positive MACD crossover. Bollinger Bands across all the time frames, may it be monthly, quarterly, half yearly, are supportive for the positive momentum in the stock. There is no resistance in this stock either, and the stock set for a move till 45 to 50 in the months to come. The current price of the stock is 24 and investors can add more if the stock slips to 18 to 19 rupees range. We will review our view in the stock if it slips below 15 rupees. Indian Bank, the third one. Another positive looking stock on bigger time frames. It has almost moved 3 times from its lows in the last 1 year. However, despite of that, the RSI is still around 45 odd levels on the monthly and higher time frames, indicating more upside in the coming months. It's showing signs of uptrend on monthly time frame with no close by resistance, trading close to lower end of the Bollinger Bands with positive momentum crossover in MACD. Minimum target that we are looking at is 200 to 220 in the short term. If it slips below 110 or 100, we will review our positive outlook. So friends, this was a list of top 3 public sector banks which according to us cannot perform in the next 3 months. Pick the one of your choice and keep watching this space for more updates. That's it for now. Thank you.